Hi, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to continue to make our color generating app, and basically we're going to achieve something like this. So not only we're going to generate random color blocks that can draw your inspiration, but also we're going to show a specific text that is called Hexcode above the color. So you can not only get that inspiration, but also say, hey, I love this color. This color is pretty good. So you can record this, you can type this in your browser or in other, Photoshop, something like that. You can just get that specific color. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, don't forget, if you like this video, please just click like, give me some feedback so I can, know the direction of future updates. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So previously we write the extension for the color. So when you need to generate random color, you can just simply do that, right? Really simple. But that doesn't also generate random hex code. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. It will have a little bit deep, but doesn't really matter. I will explain along the way. Okay, just trust me. Okay, so basically we're going to add another var. Let me just use Copilot because I want to do that quickly. So basically here we're going to add a var, okay, and hex code, hex string. All right, you already know what I want to do. So just hex code, okay. It's a string, and going to generate multiple components. So let components, self components, so can get hold of the component of yourself. And things, I'm going to get the RGB color. So I'm going to get let our red will be a specific thing. So the components get hold of it, get red because it's 0 to 255. So that's it. Okay. And of course you can use the same method to get green and get blue. So basically change that, get hold of the component, single out that a red, green, or blue, and multiply that by 255. Okay, so because you randomly generate that from 0 to 1, but in fact you want to get hex string, become 0 to 255. Okay, and since you want to change that to a string, so you have to return to a string with that specific format. Okay, red, green, and blue. And yeah, that's it. So just to add this, you can get the hex code. Right now you don't have the components function, so you have to add that. And Copilot is so smart. Maybe it's because I already write that before, so we'll just automatically generate that. I'm going to accept this, so just save you guys a little bit of time. So just to get the red, green, and blue as a CG float passing here. And let your color will be color self, yeah, and initialize red, green, blue, and get red, green, blue. Alpha is not new. In fact, alpha we can say is let me add alpha. Who said alpha is new? I'm gonna add alpha as well. So alpha can also be just a CG float. Okay, so CG floats, yeah, like you, yeah, here, sorry, here's CG float. The alpha will be just alpha. Lacking a alpha here. So let alpha will be CG float, and alpha will be alpha. Yeah, that would be good. Red, green, blue, and alpha. Okay, just as a return, and get out of here. Okay, good. So hopefully it will build. and we have to find a way to actually show that in content view, right? So the content view, right now it's just some simple color with a specific frame as well as corners and a corner radius, right? But what I'm trying to do is to, for each, not only just show the color, but rather wrap everything. So the color, color in color, right? So I'm going to wrap everything here, Command and X. I'm going to wrap all this inside the VStack. That's good. VStack, and we got the vertical stack rectangle. Yeah, that's good, but that will not be the exact same as the result that I'm showing you at the beginning of the video. Oh, it doesn't really matter. Just VStack rectangle, fill with that specific color, width and height 100, radius 10. Yeah, and then have a color down below because of vertical stack. Okay, so it's just invert what we have been doing, and yeah, pretty good. You can even have a font, like a caption. that will definitely make it a little bit bigger. So yeah, I believe hopefully it can build, and we can quickly run this in our Pro Max simulator. Well, and it's really slow. I might just stop it, pause it a few seconds. Okay, yeah, finger crossed, it's here. So yeah, we can sort of cross-reference. It's not cross-reference, but rather you can get some tool that can give me some color picker. I believe we can color sync utility, digital color meter. Yeah, and you can get it here. Display native generic RGB. Okay, there's like no way to change that to Hexcode. Oh my gosh, there's no way to change it to Hexcode. Yeah, I might need to use some sort of a online tool for that. Let me quickly grab you a online tool. Yeah, I just got like a W3 Schools online tool. Okay, hopefully it can quickly get the job done. So basically, this online tool can input the hex color, or we can select color. Doesn't really matter. Let me just input. That would be much easier. So for example, let's test this hashtag F56. Okay, F56 DA and 3. Right, and okay. And here's the like a pinkish value. And let's test another one about this hashtag 1A. Okay, all the way. So hashtag 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, finger crossed. Yeah, approximately the same color. And of course you can use the like offline tool to see whether this part and this part is the same. Okay, 13, 13. Yeah, approximately the same, right? Red is 30, red 30, green is 155, green 155, blue is 153, 154. Yeah, approximately the same. Maybe just some like a slight difference. Okay, so yeah, so let's that'll be all of it. So basically, quick review. We just using this hex to get like extract, like rescale that from 0 to 1 to 0 to 255, and return that, and then use it, put in VStack. Fairly simple one, in fact, if you think about this. But it's much more because I want to talk to you guys because I want you guys to know that if you're developing something, this thing should have a meaning. Don't like a fall in the trap of like a tutorial trap, because I love to watch tutorial, and I know that for beginner, it's really you know easy to fall into tutorial trap, because learn tutorial is kind of satisfy your feeling that you're learning something new, and it feels good, but it is not necessarily applicable in real life, because it's just essentially practicing and memorizing other platforms API, and you're not actually improving, but you're memorizing if you just do that long enough. So you have to like give a specific meaning, a purpose of your different app in practice. Okay, so yeah, this app's purpose is that draw inspiration from random generating and actually give